Samsung just dropped something insane, our first real look at the Galaxy Z Trifold. And yes, this time it's official. After years of leaks, concept renders, and endless speculation, the device has finally been shown to the public, and it's already causing a storm. The future of foldables isn't coming. It's here, and Samsung is making sure everyone knows it. Samsung showcased the Trifold at the KEK Exhibition held during APEC 2025 in South Korea. The device wasn't just on a display table, it was protected under glass like a rare artifact. Seeing Samsung lock it behind glass instantly tells you one thing. This is the product they've been saving for a big moment. Footage and photos were captured by Chosun Media and shared online by Ice Universe, one of the most accurate leakers in the tech world. And from the angles shown, we finally got to see exactly how Samsung's triple folding concept works in real life, not just in patent drawings or renders. The Z Trifold can transform from a compact 6.5-inch smartphone into a huge 10-inch tablet. Instead of a single hinge like the Z Fold, it uses two hinges that allow the display to fold twice, creating a continuous panel. No gap, no awkward step, just one uninterrupted screen flowing across all segments. Up front, Samsung is keeping a familiar touch. The device features a centered punch-hole camera just like recent Galaxy models. Bezels are visible but still thin enough to look premium. Considering the complexity of folding a tablet into a phone, this is surprisingly refined for a first showcase. Turn the device around, and the design gets even more interesting. There are three distinct back panels. The left one carries the camera setup, a triple lens system placed on a raised island following the same design language as the current Z Fold lineup, consistency without sacrificing innovation. The center section is believed to include the external display. Samsung released an official statement to Sam Mobile highlighting how committed they are to this new form factor. According to them, Samsung is pushing next-generation devices for the era of mobile AI, focusing on tech that brings meaningful changes to users, not just spec upgrades. They continue by saying that the prototype shown at APEC reflects their active research and development efforts. And here's the surprising part. Samsung confirmed they plan to bring this device to consumers within this year. Not someday, not in the future, this year. Based on internal information, the full reveal is expected to happen later this week. We won't have to wait long before the public gets to see the Trifold with actual demos, specs, and official branding. This might be one of Samsung's most important launches of the decade. Sales are rumored to begin next month, but only in limited markets at first, mainly South Korea and China. That makes sense, considering Samsung usually tests radical form factors in select regions before expanding internationally. After that initial launch, a broader global rollout will follow. This means users in North America, Europe, and more Asian markets could get access not long after that. Samsung is clearly confident in this product, otherwise they wouldn't push for a worldwide release. This device isn't just a bigger fold, it's a brand new category. A phone small enough to fit in your pocket that expands into a tablet large enough for gaming, watching content, multitasking, and productivity. No workaround, no compromises. And from what we've seen, the folding animation looks insanely satisfying. The two hinges collapse and unfold in one smooth motion, no stutter, no awkward angle. Samsung might have cracked the Trifold design before anyone else even got close. We've seen companies tease prototypes before, but none of them reached this level of polish. Other brands hid hinges, used dummy units, or avoided showing the screen turning on. Samsung, on the other hand, is confident enough to display the device publicly. This first look proves one thing. Samsung didn't just beat competitors to the finish line, they're writing the rulebook. The entire foldable industry might have to rethink its approach after this reveal. Trifold isn't a concept anymore, it's a product. The tech world has been waiting for the next big shift in smartphone design. We thought foldables were the peak of creativity, but Samsung just showed that we're still at the beginning. The future of mobile computing may not be flat, it may fold in three. That's the latest on Samsung's massive reveal. What do you think about the Galaxy Z Trifold? Is this the form factor we've been waiting for, or is it too ambitious? Share your thoughts below. I'm curious to hear where you stand. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. More breakthroughs are coming, and you're not going to want to miss what happens next. Until then, peace out.